and Mr. Swami and N. Subarsan, Kanyakumari Coco Association Joint Secretary. அண்ணா அவர்களையும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்றுக் கொண்டு இந்த விளையாட்டு போட்டியை துவக்கி வைக்க அன்பாய் வேண்டுகிறோம். அதோடு இவர்களை வழிநடத்தி செல்ல எங்கள் கிளப்பின் பிரசிடென்ட் மிஸ்டர் பாசமிகு அண்ணன் கின்ஸ்லி அவர்கள் இதோ அணிவகுக்கும் தருணம் இது. ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் குலசேகரம் அணிவர்களை தொடர்ந்து கேகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அணிவர்கள் அறிமுகம். இதை தொடர்ந்து விளையாட்டு வீரர்கள் அறிமுகம். So we are expecting the moment. The match held between the second semi-final match held between the first point is taken the side of KK Friends முதல் வெற்றி புள்ளி KK Friends அணிவர்கள் சாதகமாக்கியுள்ளது. Such a beautiful move, getting point on the pointers continuously taken the side of KK Friends. The point is 2-1. Now the point is Friends and Friends Kulasegaram taken. Both teams are equal points. Smash the ball, pick them up. Again point in favor of the side of KK Friends. They travel on the next point. The point is 3. Friends and Friends Kulasegaram receiving it 2 points. Good service, continuously picking point the pointers. 4. Friends and Friends Kulasegaram 2 point. 4 வெற்றி புள்ளிகளோடு இதோ முன்னிலை Friends and Friends அணி வீரர்கள் அடித்தனர் வெற்றி புள்ளி அடித்தெடுக்கப்பட்டது வெற்றி புள்ளியானது 5-2 என்ற புள்ளி கணக்கு. The point is 5-2. KK Friends அணி வீரர்கள் single man attack, frequently getting 1 by 1 point. The KK Friends leading with 3 points and the point is 5. What the power ball smash. Doesn't pick them up. Again point in favor of the side of Friends and Friends Kulasegaram. The point is 3. Friends and Friends Kulasegaram 3 point. KK Friends 5 point to receive. The lovely service was taken. Smash the ball, doesn't take in the side of Friends and Friends Kulasegaram. KK Friends simply move on the next point, and the point is 6. Friends and Friends Kulasegaram staying with 3 points. Now the point is KK Friends 6 point. Friends and Friends Kulasegaram 2 point. Sorry, 3 point. Match going under pressure. Every moves are expected moment. Oh, what an intelligent drop push the side of Friends and Friends. KK Friends favor another point. Now the point is 8. Friends and friends, Kulasekara staying with 3 points. Not a single smash. It is account of point of the Pandas. Travel on the side of friends and friends, Kulasekara. The point is 4. KK friends receive the side of 8. 4-8. The guys are leading with 4 points. Now friends and friends, Kulasekara travel on the next point. Now the point is 5. Friends and friends, Kulasekara, they are getting another point. Another point is 5. KK friends 8 points to the set. Another bad move registered on the next. Again point in favor the side of KK friends. The point is 9. Friends and friends, Kulasekara receive with 5 points. A brilliant service was taken. Friends and friends, Kulasekara. Wow, the single man continuously picking 1 by 1 point. Friends and friends, Kulasekara receive with 5 points, 10-5. Now they are 5-point lead. Another disappointment, little bit struggle on. The point continuously taken the side of KK friends. They are very strong team. Only because of the service guy doing executions of talent, the set of execution, they are picking 1 by 1 point. Or the point is friends and friends favor 6. KK friends 11 point to receive. 6-11. Brilliant move. Unexpected movement from the side of friends and friends, Kulasekara. They are getting another point. Or the point is 8-7 point. KK friends. KK friends utilize the chance to serve. The point is 12. Friends and friends, Kulasekara 7 point. 12-7. Another power back move was taken. KK friends. Wow, what a smash! Single smash, accuracy smash, power back smash. Doing so many variety of execution from the side of KK friends with single boy. Getting 1 by 1 point of the Pandas. They lead 13-7. What a move. What a brilliant move. Wow. KK friends disappointed with struggling with last move. KK friends utilize the chances. Friends and friends, request to serve is the point is 8. KK friends saving with 13 points. Again, KK friend request to service. The point is 14. 14 വെറ്റിപ്പുള്ളികളോടിതോ എതിർകൊണ്ട് ആടുകിன்ற ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ആൻഡ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് കുലശേഖരം ഇതോ വീണ്ടും നീയാ നാന പവർ ബൈ extremely good block. Again back to form the side of friends and friends Kulasekara. The point is 9. KK friends 14 point. What a brilliant comeback. And also good service registered the side of friends and friends Kulasekara. Wow, what a brilliant comeback. Friends and friends, the last couple of the move, they done nicely. Picking beautiful point frequently. The point is 10. KK friends 14 point. Wow, what a smash again. The point is again favor the side of KK friends. The point is 15. Friends and friends Kulasekara receive with 10 point. What a service. Wow. intelligent move. Friends and friends, Kulasekharam come back. Get another point. Now the point is 11. Friends and friends, Kulasekharam to serve. KK friends, the guys are lead with 4 points. Good taken. Very excited moment. Match booking under pressure again. What a form. Friends and friends, now accelerating their skill. Now the point is 12. KK friends staying with 15 points. Now the guys are down by 3 points. Oh, another disappointment. Friends and friends, beautiful comeback. The last couple of the moves. The point is 13. KK friends 15 points. What a brilliant moves from the side of KK from friends. Again disappointed. Friends and friends utilize the chance to serve. The point is 14-15. The point is 14-15. The first time what was taken the side of KK friends. Now the point is 14-15. KK friends leading with 1 point. The last couple of the moves. KK friends executing. Good talent of execute. But fortunately, they're struggling with a couple of the moves for the service. So far, they plan to execute that. Let's see the match receive. The point is 14-15. Friends and friends, Kulasekharam. They are just on the net for service. Friends and friends, Kulasekharam disappointment. KK friends utilize the chance to serve 16-14. Brilliant comeback. KK friends again back to form. After the timeout they are well designed to plan to executing their play level. The point is 17. Friends and friends, Kulasekharam staying with 14 points. Good taken. And lovely smash. A single man continuously picking 1 by 1 point. The man of mission to squaring 1 by 1 point. The point is KK friends 18 point. Friends and friends, Kulasekharam 14 point. Again taken another point from the side of KK friends. Now the guys are very strong. The point is 19. Friends and friends, Kulasekharam 14 points. Adita, வெற்றிப்புள்ளியாக மீண்டும் ஒரு வெற்றிப்புள்ளி தனது அணிக்கு சேர்த்து வெற்றிப்புள்ளி 15-19 என்ற புள்ளி கணக்கில் இரு அணி வீரர்களும் நீயா நானா வெல்ல போவது குலசேகரமா KK friends-ஆ. Let's see the last couple of the moves. Unexpected movement, smash the ball, picking point. KK friends, they are utilizing strategic move. Unexpected movement, they are executing smash, getting point on the pointers. KK friends favor 20. Friends and friends, Kulasekharam 15 point. Wow. Again back to form. Friends and friends, Kulasekharam, the point is 16-20. Now friends and friends, Kulasekharam down with 4 points. Again disappointment. KK friends, little bit struggling right now. Friends and friends, Kulasekharam favor the point again. The point is 17. KK friends 20 point. Wow, what a smash. It is on top. The point is friends and friends, Kulasekharam 18 point. KK friends, brilliant comeback with 18 point. KK friends 20 point. What a move again. KK friends executing their talent very sharply. Picking 1 by 1 point very nicely without any hesitation. Now your pointers travel on, winning point 21. Friends and Friends Kulasegaram 18 point to receive. Oh, another service that is thrown outside. Friends and Friends Kulasegaram request to service 19-21. What a brilliant attack again, KK Friends Titavalai 22. Friends and Friends Kulasegaram staying with 18 point to the save. What a brilliant comeback, KK Friends. Again disappointed at the side of KK Friends. Point again goes to Kulasegaram side 20-22. Again Kulasegaram down with 2 points. Again request to service from the side of the pointers in favor the side of Friends and Friends, sorry, KK Friends, the pointers 23, Friends and Friends Kulasegaram 20 point for timeout taken the side of Friends and Friends, the first timeout. Before the timeout, KK Friends, the guys are lead with 23 points. Friends and Friends Kulasegaram, they are staying with 20 points. Once again, I repeat that the special prizes has been distributed here. So I request you all the players perform well and catch the special prizes. The special prizes according to the parameter we evaluated: best setter, best defender, best all-rounder and best libero. In a sense, we evaluated and given the prizes also. Now there, find us KK Friends 23 point, Friends and Friends Kulasegaram 20 point. Wow! What a smash again! The single man execution. The point is 24. Maybe is it in set point? They are touching with set point 24. Friends and Friends Kulasegaram 20 point. Oh, again disappointed, Friends and Friends. Brilliant comeback again. Match going under pressure move. The commanders. Friends and Friends 21 point. KK Friends touching with 24 point. Maybe is it in set? Yes, set won by KK Friends.